Hi everyone, it's me Rhonda, also known as the Sparkly One. I just wanted to chat real quick about some crocheting projects that I've been working on. I did post a video a few weeks ago on a wearable blanket, and I did do another two blankets. I'll insert one right here. This is the gray and white striped one, and I love this. I just think the colors are really soft and just really nice. I made that blanket for my niece. She graduated from school to be an occupational therapist, and I thought this is a really nice blanket for her to have, like if she's sitting around watching TV and it's a chilly day or a chilly night. And I just thought it was really fun. And this one I'm calling my Finding Nemo blanket because I started making it for my daughter, and then I realized it looks a bit like Nemo, and I don't know, I don't think she really likes it, so I'm probably not going to give it to her. But and she did see it because I showed it to her. I didn't put a tie on this one, but you can get the idea, and it's so sweet. I love it. It's very fun. This would be great if there's a sports team that you like, and you can make these colors for the sports team. And here this one is. But I just think it's really nice. This one actually comes down lower on my arms, which compared to the other one, that one didn't go as low. But as you can see, these would be perfect for anybody in a convalescent home or someone who's in the hospital. It's just really nice and warm, and it's very, very cozy. So I just wanted to show you this one, and then a couple other things that I've been working on. The other thing I've been working on is this granny square. And I haven't finished it yet, but I thought it was really cute. This would make a really sweet blanket for a little girl. And even if you left it small like this, they could use it for the little dolls. I think that's always really fun. And look at how cute that is. I made like puffed hearts right here. And I will probably have this video up for you. I don't know when. I've just been super busy, and I really haven't had time. And then I hurt my arm and my finger, so I really couldn't crochet much. But that's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos. And this is another thing that I made, and I haven't posted this video yet either, but this is a needle case for my crochet hooks. And you just open it up and you can see the crochet hooks in here. I only have two. But this is a video that I will be making. This isn't quite finished yet, but I think that you'll be excited. I had a lot of requests for this, and I apologize. I just haven't, like I said, I hurt myself and I haven't had a whole lot of time. I also found this. I thought this was really soft. This is called Parfait Layers, and it's by Premier Yarns. And look, these colors are so pretty. They're just in the really light pink, kind of touches of a yellow mustardy color, which is not my favorite color, but I'm kind of curious to see what that's going to look like. But this is super soft, like a chenille type yarn, and I thought it was so pretty. So what I wanted to do is make some slippers out of it. So when I make that, I will post a video as well. But if you're looking forward to some more videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. If you want to see the crochet hook case, I'd be happy to do that. I am working on it. It's going to take me a while. I'm going to be posting some gardening videos that I've done. We've redone our backyard, and I'm growing a veggie garden. So I really want to show you guys a few things that I've done there. But other than that, I just wanted to say hi and thank you so much for all your support. I think I'm almost to 12,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I really appreciate your feedback, and I also appreciate your support. And anyway, I hope you join me next time. Talk to you later. Bye.